Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's learn adverbs. What are adverb? Identify verbs, adjective, or other adverb. How, where, when, how often. Adverb describe how, when, where, or how much. She sings beautiful. He arrived late. Types of adverbs. Adverb of manners. These adverbs tell us how an action happens. Sentence: the boy complete his homework quickly. Adverb of time. These adverbs tell us when something happens. Example: today, yesterday, soon, now. I will call you tomorrow. Adverb of place. These adverbs tell us where something happens. Example: here, there, everywhere, outside. The children are playing outside. Adverb of frequency. She always helps her friend. Types of degree. These adverbs show how much or to extent something happened. The movie was very interesting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.